Hi everyone, welcome to our class channel. So today I'm going to make chocolate cookies filled with Ovalmaltin. If you guys want to know how to make it, let's check it out. Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce myself. My name's Arkanya Putri, but you can call me Kanya. First of all, you guys need to prepare the ingredients and the utensil.
But still I will remember you taught me all the love and gay at the plaza afternoon. Share all the memories of you and me, but still I will remember you.
Okay, now let's get into the process of making it.
Taking me back to you.
First, combine butter, sugar, and palm sugar in a bowl, and then beat it with a mixer on high speed for 1 until 2
If
minutes.
only that I knew.
After 2 minutes, add the egg and flavorings. This time, I'm using vanilla
All
extract.
the love
Beat the mix again until it pales and expand a bit. Add the shifted flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Beat just until the dough is mixed well. Add the chocolate chips and stir it with a spatula. Prepare a tray lined with baking paper. Place a scoop of the dough on top and leave some distance in between. Make a crater in the middle of the cookie dough using a spoon.
taking me back to you. Please tell
Add the
me
Ovalmaltin
something
crunchy cream into a piping bag. Pipe into the crater and shape the dough to cover the chocolate
that
spread.
I knew.
Sprinkle a bit of salt on top or add more chocolate chips for the topping.
And all the love starting to bloom.
Bake at 185 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes.
I could have every time I chose to be with you. We will be family, just you and me, and still I
Chocolate cookies are ready to serve.
remember you. We will be family.
The end of chocolate cookies, it has a crunchy cream and chocolate chips topping. It has a crunchy exterior and soft center. A great combination to accompany your coffee time. I think that's it, how to make chocolate cookies filled with Ovalmaltin. See you guys later. Bye-bye.
Ba-ba.